In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alias in Proton Mail. This is a handy feature that allows you to manage multiple email identities without having to create separate accounts. Let's dive into the steps to set up an alias, making it easier for you to organize your emails or maintain privacy. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Proton Mail. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which is your settings toggle. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Now that you've opened the settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for and click on All Settings to expand your configuration options fully. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Proton Mail account. From here, you're going to want to select Identity and Addresses. This section is where you can manage your email identities, including setting up aliases. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page that shows your current email addresses and the option to add or modify them. Once you're on the Identity and Addresses page, you'll see an option to add a new alias. Click on this option and you'll have the chance to change or add a new email address or display name for your alias. This is particularly useful if you want to use a different name or if you need a temporary address for specific purposes. After entering your desired alias information, make sure to save your changes. Proton Mail will now recognize this alias as part of your account and you can start using it immediately. Remember, aliases can be a powerful tool for managing different aspects of your digital life, whether for business, personal use, or just to keep things organized. And there you have it. You've successfully created an alias in Proton Mail. This not only helps in keeping your main email address private, but also aids in managing different aspects of communication efficiently. Be sure to take advantage of this feature to streamline your email experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life.